Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: method references in Java programming using static methods with runnable functional interface. So first of all, what are method references in Java? So this concept was introduced in Java in JDK 1.8 or Java 8 version. So method references is used to refer a particular method of functional interface. So particular method means abstract method. So functional interfaces are those interfaces which contains only one abstract method. So it is the simplest form of lambda expression. So here we can replace lambda expressions with method references to redefine functional interfaces, abstract methods with anonymous classes. So here we have three types of method references in Java. First one, reference to static method of a class, reference to instance method of a class, and reference to constructor, which is also a special method of a class. So coming to the syntax, to refer a static method with runnable interface, run method. So static content is accessible directly with class name. So here we use class name static method name. For example, in multi-threading, we pass runnable object as a parameter to thread class object. For example, thread T1 is equals to new thread, and here we have to pass runnable interface object. So runnable interface subclass object or its reference in runnable interface variable. So instead of that, here we can take directly our static method reference. Right, so if we see the description of thread class and runnable class, so it goes like this. Open the command prompt. So runnable interface is a functional interface because it contains only one abstract method. And coming to the thread class, so thread class implements runnable interface, and here in the constructor of the thread class, so if we see the constructor of the thread class, so public thread runnable, so it takes runnable interface subclass, runnable interface inherited subclass object references parameter to implement multi-threading in our programming. So we are going to demonstrate this with a small program, method reference example 2.java. So take a new page. First we'll write the comments. Program to demo, method reference to a static method using runnable interface run method. So take the main class with main method and save this program in your working directory. So in our main class, we are taking one more static method, public static void m2. Now inside this m2 method, we are taking a for loop which executes 10 times and prints m2 method or run method with static method reference plus I. So it will also print the I values 1 to 10. So this method we are going to give as a reference to runnable interface run method. Right. So first we'll do it with static method reference for runnable interface run method with our m2 method. So how this is done? So runnable r1 object reference variable is equals to, so here we have to take a anonymous class or lambda expression to redefine the run method. Instead of that lambda expression, we are replacing with method reference with static method. So our class name is method reference example2 m2. So run method is referring to m2 method of our class. Now create an object of thread class and pass r1, which is a object reference. to the anonymous class, which is redefining the run method using method reference with static method, and then pass that object as a parameter to the constructor, and then t1.start. So save this program, come to the command prompt, compile the program, method reference example 2.java, compile it, no error, and run it. Right, so here run method is m2 method. So m2 method or run method with static method reference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let us create one more thread using lambda expression for runnable interface, functional interface with run method. So let us take runnable interface reference variable r2 and let us redefine run method using lambda expression. So run method does not take any parameter, so empty parenthesis, lambda expression arrow operator followed by definition of the run method. So in the definition of the run method, we are taking a for loop which executes 10 times and prints 2 tab spaces run method using lambda expression plus I value. So here also I value is printed from 1 to 10 along with run method using lambda expression, and this is printed towards the right side because we are taking 2 tab spaces. Right, so end of the lambda expression, and this R2 we are passing as a parameter to the thread class constructor with a reference T2, and finally T2.start. So save this program, come to the command prompt, recompile and run. So here parallel execution takes place. So run method using lambda expression, and this is replaced with run method using static method reference to m2 method. Right, so this is how we are supposed to work with method reference using static method in Java programming with runnable functional interface to redefine run method in multi-threading concept. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.